Our topic is isomorphism. What is meant by isomorphism? Iso means same and morphism means structure. That is, we say that the graphs which are structurally same called as isomorphic, but it is not in simple way or it is not a simple concept. For that, we see the definition. Definition of isomorphism of two graphs. Two graphs G1 and G2 are said to be isomorphic if there exists a 1-1 correspondence between the vertices of G1 and the vertices of G2 such that the number of edges joining any two vertices of G1 is same as number of edges joining the corresponding vertices of G2. Looking at the definition of isomorphism. This definition says that two graphs are isomorphic if there is 1-1 correspondence between the vertex set of both graph as well as edge set of both graph, and that edge set preserves its adjacency relation. That is, we have to find out a bisective correspondence between the vertex set of corresponding graphs and edge set of corresponding graphs. If two graphs G1 and G2 are said to be isomorphic, then these are located by this symbol G1 isomorphic to G2. Otherwise, we say that the two graphs are not isomorphic. Okay. Next, we see the example. Example 1. Look at the following graph. Graph G1. This is graph G1. This is graph G2. G1 and G2. We have to check the isomorphism. We have to check the isomorphism between these two graphs. For that isomorphism purpose, we first count the number of vertices in both graphs. What are the number of vertices in G1? This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, there are 6 vertices in graph G1. Same for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices in graph G2. Therefore, number of vertices same. Also, we count the number of edges, number of distinct edges. There in G1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 distinct edges in graph G1. Similarly, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 distinct edges in graph G2. Hence, there are same number of vertices and same number of edges in both graph. Therefore, we looking forward into finding or checking the isomorphism. We looking forward for 1-1 correspondence. Okay. For the 1-1 correspondence, we pick any vertex in graph G1 and for finding its correspondence, we have to find out degree of that vertex and degree of its adjacent vertex. Using that concept, we have to find out a bisective correspondence. Suppose there is vertex U, this vertex U, it has degree 3 since 3 edges incident on it, and its adjacent vertices, this vertex X, this vertex Y, and this vertex Y, this vertex V, this vertex Y and X. V, Y, X are adjacent vertices of U. What is degree of U? Degree of U is 3. And what is degree of its adjacency vertices? 3, 3, 3. Therefore, in G2, we have to find out the degree of vertex is 3 and its degree of adjacency vertices are also 3, 3, 3. Therefore, we look at this vertex has degree 3 and its adjacency vertex, this vertex degree 3, P vertex, this vertex degree 3, also this vertex are degree 3. Therefore, we have the 1-1 correspondence between the vertex set of graph G1 and the vertex set of graph G2. And that 1-1 correspondence is U goes to L. 1-1 correspondence is U goes to L, V goes to M, W goes to N, X goes to P, Y goes to Q, and Z goes to R. Therefore, for each vertex in graph G1, we have the unique vertex set in graph G2, and we have the adjacency relation preserved for the edges. Therefore, the previous graph G1 and G2 are isomorphic. Now look at the next example, the graph G1 and G2. This is graph G1, this is graph G2. And we have to check the isomorphic relation in graphs G1 and G2. For that purpose, we first upon find out the number of vertices and number of edges in graph G1 and G2. Now how many vertices in graph G1? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in G1. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in G2. Therefore, there are same number of vertices in G1 and G2. Similarly, count the number of edges in G1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same in G2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now the number of vertices and number of edges in both graphs are same. Therefore, for checking the isomorphism, we go to the finding 1-1 correspondence. Now we observe that these two graphs, looking at the outer structure of these two graphs are same, but in the inner structure, if we put this graph G1 and place on the graph G2, then it cannot be matched. Okay. Now we observe that the each vertex and its degree of adjacency vertex. Now here, degree of this vertex, suppose this vertex called as U. This vertex degree is 3. 1, 2, 3. And its degree of adjacency vertices, this vertex is of degree 2. This vertex is of degree 2. This vertex is of degree 2. And this vertex is of degree 2. For that purpose, we have to find out another vertex in graph G2 such that the degree of vertex is 3 and its degree of adjacency vertices is 3, 2, 2. For finding such a vertex, we can check the degree of 3 vertex. These two are vertex of degree 3. Now we suppose consider this vertex of degree 3. Now we check the adjacency vertices. This is 3 degree, this again 3 degree, and this is 2. We cannot find a 3 vertex degree having adjacency vertex degree sequence 2, 2, 3. Also this is 3 degree vertex, but it has an adjacent vertex degree 3, 3, 2. That is, the adjacency relation is not preserved in these two graphs. Hence, these two graphs are not isomorphic graphs. Therefore, we say that G1 is not isomorphic with G2. Now see the next example, and question is whether the following graphs, whether the given two graphs G1 and G2 are isomorphic or not. For that purpose, we first upon consider first graph G1, second graph G2, and we label them as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. And also here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and so on. Okay. Now first upon check the number of vertices and number of edges between these two graphs. Now the number of vertices and number of edges in these two graphs are same. Therefore, we go to finding the 1-1 correspondence between these two graphs G1 and G2. For that purpose, we define a bisective correspondence, that is, that first vertex 1 goes to A. Since degree of 1 is 1, 2, 3, degree of A is 1, 2, 3, degree of its adjacency, this is 2 vertex degrees of degree 3, 5 vertex is of degree 3, 8 vertex is of degree 3. Also A having adjacency vertices B, H and E having the same degree. Okay. Therefore, for using that connection, we find the bijection, that is 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 3 goes to C. Since B's adjacent is C and 2's adjacent is 3. 4 goes to D, 5 goes to E, 6 goes to F, and so on. We have this correspondence, and it is summarized as the function f, which defines f of 1 equals to a, f of 2 equals to b, and so on, f of 10 equals to j. This is basic to correspondence, hence the previous graph g1 and g2 are isomorphic. This g1 and g2 are isomorphic. Now consider the next example or exercise. You can check that this given two graphs, whether these graphs g1 and g2 are isomorphic or not. That is, we have to find, or if we have to find the bijective correspondence between g1 and g2, then these two graphs are isomorphic, otherwise these two graphs are not an isomorphic. Now the same isomorphism relation, we can check the isomorphism relation using degrees of adjacency relation. In all graph, we cannot find easily that bijective correspondence is hold. For that purpose, we define or we construct a table for each graph, and we verify such a adjacency relation exists or not. Consider the two graphs G1 and G2. This is graph G1, this is G2. Now the checking the isomorphism between G1 and G2, we construct the adjacency table for G1 and G2. Before that, we first count the number of vertices in G1 and G2. Number of edges in G1 and G2 are both are same. Therefore, for the 1-1 correspondence, we construct a table for G1 and same for G2. Now for constructing table for G1, we count the degree of each vertex. Now the degree of A is 3. Degree of A is 3 and its adjacency vertex is of degree 2, 2, 2. Therefore, in the table, we summarize all vertices, its degree and degree of adjacent vertices. A is of degree 3 and its adjacent vertex is degree 2, 2, 2. Similarly, B is of vertex 2, and its adjacent vertex degree, it is A 3, 2, 2. Okay. Then we summarize in the table degree of B and its adjacency vertex degree. Okay. Degree of vertex B is 2 and its adjacency vertex. Okay. Now similarly, degree of vertex C is 2 and its adjacency vertex degree is 2, 3. We can write down the degree of adjacency vertex in either increasing order or decreasing order. Here in the table, the vertex C is of degree 2 and its adjacency vertex degree is, vertex C is of degree 2, adjacency vertex are B and D is of 3, 2. Okay. Here is mistake. B adjacency vertex of C is only 3, 2. It is not 3, 2, 2. Okay. Now next we see that the same table for the next graph G2. Okay. For that purpose, we construct a table for graph G2. Degree of vertex P, Q, R, S, T, U and its degree of adjacent vertices. Now look at the both table and we have to check that the same degree and its degree of adjacent vertices sequences are same for the 1-1 correspondence. Now in the first table, the first vertex is of degree First vertex is A. What is degree of A? Degree of A is 3 and its adjacent degree sequence is 2, 2, 2. For finding the correspondence vertex in graph G2, we have to find a vertex of degree 3 having adjacency degree sequence is 2, 2, 2. But in the table of graph G2, there does not exist any vertex is of degree 3 and adjacency vertex degree sequence 2, 2, 2. Look at in this series, look in column. There is no such a degree of adjacent vertices. Therefore, the 1-1 correspondence is not exist in graph G1 and G2, and we say that these two graphs are not an isomorphic graph. There does not exist the correspondence or there does not exist an bisectory relation on these two graphs, and we say that these two graphs are not an isomorphic graph.